Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to get help in Windows 11 using different built-in tools and support options. So let's get started. Firstly, use the Get Help app. Click the Start menu. Here you will type Get Help. Open the Get Help app. Here you will type your problem in the search box like there. Sound not working, Wi-Fi not working, anything you like. It will give you the suggestions like Windows will suggest settings and troubleshooting tools, like it will ask you something consent to run automated diagnostic to try solving your audio problem. If you want to troubleshoot, you can troubleshoot or get help. You can ask anything. Second is use troubleshoot settings. Open settings, go to start menu, here you will type settings, then go to system, scroll down, here you will see troubleshoot, then select other troubleshooters, run the troubleshooter for your issue. Run the troubleshooter for your issue window can automatically fix many problems. You can run for anything, like I want run for printer, audio, internet and printer issue. It will troubleshoot. Next is go to the official Microsoft support website, opening any browser, visit Microsoft support website. Search for your Windows 11 support, Windows 11 problem. Here, here you can find guide, update, and community answers there. Next is open search menu. Here you will enter your problem like Wi-Fi issues. Window will suggest setting and troubleshooting, like click on it and troubleshooting tips. This method is quick for common Windows problem, and that's it. How you can get help in Windows 11 using different easy methods. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.